Hello everyone. So today we will learn how to create a VPC and subnet and associate the public subnet to the route table, and we'll learn how to create a server inside the subnet. So we can begin. So we are going to the lab. Here you can see, go to VPC and click VPC. So here you can see create VPC. In this page you can see VPC only created. So we will put one name VPC1 and we will give a CIDR range of C class 10.0.0.0/24 and not IPv6 CIDR block. So then we'll keep everything as it is and we'll create a VPC. So as you can see, now we have created VPC. And now we are going to create a subnet. For that we need a subnet calculator. In this we have given the CIDR range for the VPC, which we have given 10.0.0/24, and then we'll divide at least the subnet into 3, which we only need 1, but still we'll give 3. So 3 subnet IPs we have got here. We'll pick the first one and we'll copy this and we'll go to the subnet and we'll create a subnet and we'll pick the VPC which we have created, VPC1. You can see here. Then CIDR range which is given to the VPC is here, you can see, and we'll give a name to the subnet, public subnet 1. Now there is no preference for available zone, so we'll just not give any preferences, just give no preference. You can see the CIDR range of VPC here. Now we'll give the CIDR range of subnet. So the IP range we have given here, and now we are going to create a subnet. So we have created one subnet. Now we'll create a route table. We'll go to route table. We'll create a route table. We'll give public route table 1. We'll open the VPC, select VPC, and now we create the route table. Now we have created subnet and route table. Now we have to associate this both, subnet and route table. So we'll go to route table. We'll click on route table and we'll go to actions. In action, we'll go to edit subnet association and we'll pick the subnet association and save association. Now the subnet and route table is associated, so we can see that in VPC. We'll go and click the VPC. In the source map in the VPC, we'll go down. We can see this public subnet and route table is connected. Now we'll go to a server which we have to create, EC2. So we create a server EC2. We'll click the server. We'll launch instance. We'll give a name server1 and we'll pick Linux operating system. So everything is as it is, micro service, and we'll select the key pair which I have already created. It's this one, and we'll not select anything. We can select if you want here the subnet and VPC which created. So VPC which we have created, so we click here, and the subnet which we want associate with this is public subnet with this VPC. So we given this, and now we'll give the access enable. So we'll get access. Now security group or everything as it is. Now we launch an instance. So we'll go to the instance. Now you can see the instance. So this is how you create a virtual private cloud, and you will create a subnet and associate the subnet with the route table, and you create a instance. So this is it. Hope you understood how we are associating route table with the subnet and creating a server inside the subnet. Thank you for watching.